Recording. Yeah, so today's topic is on. So we have been doing a lot of work on the admin part. So today's topic is not on the admins, it is purely for every Rotarian. What a Rotarian can do using the Rotary India app, the what all advantages he can do, and the features available in the app in terms of how they can move around in the app and connect to Rotarians beyond our club, beyond our district, finding a club, finding a Rotarian, lots of features of that. So we'll discuss on this part. And there may be people who might not be able to download the app for various reasons. Do not worry. So those people should send an email to support at the rate of rotaryindia.org and we'll take care of that. I'll tell you why. Before we start, let me just give an example. This Rotary India app is not an open app. It's a closed group app. So what it means, if Nargis Sakina is not a Rotarian, for example, then she cannot use the application. Or if her mobile number is misspelled in the system as a wrong number, or let's say instead of a mobile number, it's a landline number is there in the system for whatever reasons, then she won't be able to download the app. So that means the app is very clearly a closed group app. Why is it a closed group app? We do not want a non-Rotarian to bombard us with junk communication or calls which we do not want to entertain. But if a Rotarian wants to connect to me or Rotarian wants to exchange each other's in terms of business connection, whatever, it's most welcome. So it's like a fellowship group for the entire community of Rotary in India. That is, we have around about 1,65,000, 1,70,000 Rotarians. We try to have all of them in the system. So we can communicate to them, we can know, or you can find a club wherever we go, lots more. So now let's get into the action. Aishwarya, are you ready? Can we share the screen? And the first part on how to, so now today we are going to show you the Android application. Okay, now let me just, there may be iOS users here. Android and iOS users, there is a difference. Android application is completely ready and iOS there is some work going on. So some of the features are not available in iOS as of now, but it's a matter of another days, some number of days, we will be having this iOS also upgraded to the level of Android. Unfortunately, iOS is a bit stringent. A lot of things which we develop is not accepted by the iOS Play Store, so we App Store. So the process is a bit longer for us to do it. Now, in Android, how do I download the mobile application? Now, before Aishwarya shows it to you, is anybody here who is not downloaded? Just say yes to those people who are not downloaded. Kon download nahi kiya, type yes. That means I know that there are people who have not yet downloaded the app. Yes means aapne download nahi kiya hai. Yes means you are not downloaded the application. So now for all those people who has yes, that means you are not downloaded, please listen to this carefully. All you require is, Aishwarya, you can share the screen again. Go into Play Store or App Store and search for Rotary India. So now that's what now she's going to do. So now she'll search for Rotary India. Now you are saying Rotary India. Now she'll click on install. Now the application will get installed on your phone. The application is very light, so it hardly takes 5 MB. So it does not take more than a minute to get installed. And once you install it, what is the process? This is most important. I want everybody to see this part. You're still getting installed.
1 minute.
Yeah, so now please see this. It's a website which is owned by Rotary News Trust, and it's for every Rotarian in the country. And one more thing, this app is completely free for every Rotarian in the country. The cost of developing and maintaining this app is taken care by Rotary News Trust. So you don't need to pay for this app. So there is no question of anybody shying away from downloading it, saying that there's a cost involved in this. Yeah, click on accept. Now type your mobile number. Aishwarya, type a wrong number. Can you see this? When you type a wrong number, it says this number is not registered with Rotary India. So are you a Rotarian? Yes or no? What it means, in case your number is not right, you get this screen. Now go back and type the right number. So now see the difference. It is asking one time password will be sent to this number. Now it is generating the one time password, and the password will come. Yeah, the number is 4498. Now, can you see this? Don't go to the next step. Can you see this? It says what all connections you have in your thing, what all clubs you belong to. Example, say in my case, it's connected to my club, my district number. That is, my club is Thane Hills, my district number is 3142. And because we are managing the entire thing, so I'm part of another team of COG, all the College of Governors, including Tirupati Naidu, who's here, who's already part of that. Plus, if there are any fellowship groups, examples, now I'm part of IFRM, that is International Fellowship of Rotary Musicians. So part of it. So all this is listed here. Now click on next. Now this is a dashboard you get. Now in this dashboard, it first greets you by your name. Then you can see all those icons there. Thane Hill, COG, IFRM 3142, District 3142, and IFRM India. Okay, so now after that, there is a button called as celebrations. Then you can come down and you can see a lot of other things. Now go to the first screen, go back, well, go up, yeah. Click on Thane Hills, that is my club. So when I click on my club, what happens? So within my club, I will see the club service, directory, community service, attendance, upcoming events, lot of things in my screen. So let me first go to the directory. Now, can you see this total number of members in my club? It shows 115, and I can see the list of all the members of my club, including their photograph and content. Now let me just click on say Anindya Das Gupta. Type Anindya, you can click on him. Now can you see this? I can see his name, his mobile number, his business name, business data, and his business contact number, Rotary ID, his club designation, his date of birth, anniversary, his residential address, his wife's name, wife's number, her birth date, anniversary, son's name, and including the family photograph. Now you may be worried, oh God, all my data is shared to the world. No, this data is only within your club. So I cannot find Nagis family members data. I can't find Tirupati Naidu's family members data. I can't find Vicky's family members data or Ratan Datta's family members data because they are not from my club. So only within my club I'll be able to see the members family members data. Why do we need this? Earlier, I'm sure we all had used to print a directory. So when you print a directory, the directory had the residential address, office address, date of birth, anniversary, aunts and annettes data. Am I right? So we created a replica of that in the system. So, but outside my club, let's say now Nargis wants to find out Anindya Das Gupta's family members data, she cannot find it. She can only find his business details. Clear on this part? So that means within my club, I can know about my members, family members data, or those data can be seen by me in case they update it. Most important part is, why do we need to update this? Imagine today Anindya says, Narendra, come to my house. I don't need to ask his address. I can just go to the application, know his address, I can directly go there. Or today, his wife Mary's birthday, I don't need to worry. I can directly click on her number and wish her on that. Or maybe my wife may want to talk to Anindya's wife. I can easily make them do it. So, how can my wife download this application? Friends, this application is not just for Rotarians, it is also for the family members. That is, Ratan Datta's wife and children also can download the application provided Ratan has added their data in the system. So that means if Narendra Rao has added Narendra Rao's wife and children's data, then they can download the application, they can connect to each other. But in case I have not added this, then there is no option for them to download it. So that means just go down here, Aisho. So can you see this now? Mary's name and everything. You can go down. Yeah. So now Mary can download using this number and she gets a OTP and she can use the application. Why? Because her number is there in the system and added by Anindya. So clear on this part. Now can you see a small button on the top here? A share button. One is a edit button where Anindya can edit or an admin can edit. Second, can you see that share button? Click on the share button. Here, this will share the name and mobile number and email ID to anybody directly. You can just click on anybody's name and you can share. Can you see this? I just shared Anindya's number to Narendra Rao just now. So, but here when you shared, it only shared his business details. Why am I saying this? Imagine that Ratan Datta wants to share Narendra Rao's number to Tirupati Naidu. He did not copy paste. He can just select the name, click on the share button and you can do that. So clear on this part? Go back to the screen. Yeah. Now in this screen, I want to call Anindya, message Anindya, send a WhatsApp to Anindya or email Anindya. I can do that. And that too, let's assume that I search for Anindya in the thing and I don't have Anindya's number stored on my phone. Still, I can click on Anindya's number. Can you see this? So when she clicked on it, it directly added that number on the screen and now you can type a message. So that means even if you have not saved Tirupati Naidu's number, I can still search for Tirupati Naidu and call him, message him, WhatsApp him or email him from the system itself. So the advantage here is any emergency, I do not want to save the number first, then send a WhatsApp. No, I want to just send a WhatsApp because I need to connect him urgently. So go back from the profile. Yeah. Now go to the profile again. So go to the directory again. Now in the right, the change that Rotarian to classification. Now, in case all the classifications are added by the members, even that can be added by the, you can search by the classification. Click on IT software and maintenance. So you can see Narendra Rao in the club and I can click on Narendra Rao and go further on that. So clear on this part. So that's simple the whole process is. So that means you can search a Rotarian of your own club by his name or by the classification that you want to search for. Or you can also search by the family members data. You can click on family members. You can also search by that. So now it picks up all the family members. You know, can you see this? In the bracket, it shows whose family they belong to. Can you see this? I can see Dinesha in the bracket, Alpa Dinesha. That means Dinesha is an Anne of Alpa, or yes, she is a son of Alpa. Amit Chaudhary, I can see Ayush, Trisha, Namita. That is from Amit's family. There are 3 members in the system. Why do I need it? I'm sure you can just close the share screen for a minute. Uh, Let me just give a simple example. Imagine you have 100 members in your club and someone's wife or a children is there in front of you. At times you may suddenly forget their names. Just go to Rotary India app, search for the right Rotarian. You will see his wife's name or his son's name so that they'll also feel good that you're greeting by their name. So use this. I do this regular in my club because we have 115 members. Unfortunately, I have a poor memory. I don't remember all the ants and ants. So sometimes suddenly I see them. Arey, iska naam kya hai? Bhul gaya. So then I can just go there, search for the Rotarian's name. I know he is so and so's wife. I search for his name. Ah, theek hai, iska naam hai. Then I go and say, "Hi Anuja, how are you?" She'll feel good. Why? Because I greeted her by her name. So having this data updated, the leaders of the club, please understand this. Having this data updated is very, very vital for every member. It's not just for the leader. Imagine just a member of my club and I want to search for someone, I can just find it. I'm not a leader of my club. I'm not a president of my club, but I can do that here. So clear? So go back to the screen. Now that's about the directory. I'll not go to the depth of the rest of the part. So when you click on the club surveys, you will see all the projects done by the clubs. That is club meetings of the current year. I can change the year and see the various years of it. Same way, I can go into the community surveys. I can go to vocational surveys. I can go to international surveys. I can go to new generation and see all the projects done by my club in the current year or in the earlier year. Now, this data is coming from server. Okay. So same way, most important part is a calendar. So in the calendar, it actually tells you who's celebrating birthday in your club, who's celebrating anniversary in your club. But provided their data is updated. Imagine today is Aishwarya's birthday, but I have not updated Aishwarya's birth date in that. She won't, there is no question of anybody knowing that is her birthday today. So ensure that we update the birthdays and anniversaries of every member so that it will be beneficial. Can you just show the screen again, Aishwarya?
Yeah, just give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah. So,
Okay,
okay.
my Wi-Fi is a little, it's taking time to load.
I think you are in a bad network there. Okay, so I'll just explain the part. So now same way there are multiple other buttons. So now if you go into the application, you have club service, your directory, your community service. Attendance is seen only by the club leaders. Upcoming events, that is whatever is happening in the next week or whatever, can be added by the club and you can go and see that there. And if you see an upcoming event, there's a live event happening there, click on that, even that can be shared to the world from there. So this is something which I request all of you to add the upcoming event so that it also comes in the calendar of your club. So do not forget to add that. Plus your newsletters of your club also will be there. Past presidents of your club will be there. Board of directors of your club is there. And even the documents. Imagine that you want to share some documents to members. Even that can be added by the club and can be seen by members. Same way, there is another icon called as district with your district number. Imagine if it is Tirupati Naidu, it will show district 3160. For Narendra Rao, it shows district 3142. So for everybody, it shows their own district. So in the district module, there is a first part which is actually again a directory. It shows the entire directory of your own district. Unfortunately, Aishwarya's phone might have an issue, so she's not able to do everything. Give me a minute, I'll show that, but I'm just briefing you there. In the same time, there is another button called as District Committee. So please talk to your district, and in case the district committee is not uploaded by the district, ask them to do it so that your entire district directory is going to be live there. So you will know starting from district governor, district trainer, who are the college of governors, who's the avenue chairs for various conferences, everything that's happening in your district, the whole folders can be there in the district committee mode. That means it's like your live district directory is there. So there are lots of other modules within that system which talks about the, of course, there's a calendar, the documents, upcoming district events, and any other district events also. The icon can be created. Imagine there is a membership seminar happening in your district, and in case we enable a registration button for your district, then you can see that district registration button also in the application for you. Aishwarya, are you ready?
The app is still loading. I'm not able to share it.
No problem, no problem. You can just pick up another phone if there is any.
We are just trying that.
Yeah. So one is a club module, one is a district module. These two are the standard modules there. Now, there were some errors in the system. Because of that, you are getting more than one district. In case anybody has this issue, samjho, you are from district 3142, but you see district 3060, please send an email to support at the rate of rotaryindia.org. We will help you on rectifying that. Yeah, Vicky will share the screen to you, don't worry. So we will help you and rectify that part. So just send a message. I'll just type the email ID of our thing. It is support. Okay, now one is a club module, one is a district module. Now there is another major thing in the system where I can find any club in the country. I can find any Rotarian in the country. So if you click on the find a club module, it will take you to any club in the country. I can find any club. We'll show you that soon. And in the same way, in the find a Rotarian, we can also show you how to find a Rotarian. So, but before that, before the technical glitch gets solved, so if anybody has any doubt on the subject which we discussed, do not discuss something else which is right now, because we'll be talking about that. Anything that I'm talking about, that is, once you log in, you will see your club ID. Once you see the club ID, club name, you will see the directory, you will see the members data, you will see all this. In that, if anybody has any doubt, we'll take their questions till the technical glitch gets solved.
Just a minute more, we're almost done.
इस समय 4 में से 2 इंजन बंद करने का टाइम। अच्छा जी, क्योंकि अब हम लोगों को हॉरिजॉन्टल मूवमेंट से वर्टिकल पे लाना है, जो कि सबसे टफ होता है।
Someone's mic is off.
वर्टिकल यानी कि इस तरह से सीधा होना है, क्योंकि जो लैंडर है ये वर्टिकल लैंड करता है। वर्टिकल, ये कभी भी हॉरिजॉन्टली लैंड नहीं करेगा, नहीं तो ये
Anybody has a question towards that, we can answer that question. You can raise your virtual hand, so then we can just take up that. So yeah, Ramchandran. Yeah, Ramchandran. I think you are on the two instruments. Hello.
Yeah, is it clear, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine. See, I want to know how the projects will be displayed in this app.
Okay. Now, you're from which club?
Yeah, I am from Rotary Club of Nagarkoil South, RID 3212.
3212. So now, when a project is added in Rotary India, in the icons, and unfortunately there's a technical glitch, and Aishwarya she'll come back now. So till then, I'll just explain you. In your club, when you click on the club module, you will see multiple buttons there. Let's say you want to see the projects, click on the community service button, and you will see all the projects of current year. In the year drop down called is 23-24. Okay, let's say you want to go and see the project of 22-23. You can go and select 22-23, and you'll be able to see the projects of 2023, provided your club has added the projects of 2023 in the system.
Yeah, that is the thing I want to know. Where we have to add it in Rotary ORG or in My Rotary?
In rotaryindia.org, you need to add the project. See, this app belongs to rotaryindia.org, so you will
Okay.
be able to see the projects which is added in rotaryindia.org. So,
Okay.
okay, and in rotary.org, if you add a project, it won't come here,
Right. Fine.
or the project added in here, it won't go to rotary.org. But
Okay.
why do you need to add in rotaryindia.org? Because when you add a there is a server which is down now, unfortunately. Because of that, I just saw a message here from Aishwarya. So don't
Okay.
worry, we can discuss on this part. Uh, because of that, her hotspot is not functioning and she's not able to share the screen, and I'm not in the office and I can't do that. So don't worry, we can discuss on this part. So when you add a project in rotaryindia.org, you will be able to see that in your mobile. In case you have a website which is linked to Rotary India.org, it is also seen there. Plus, it will also be seen in the district website. It will also be seen in the Rotary India.org website. So that means you need to add it in one place. The data is automatically shared to the various steps of it.
So who all has the rights to add it? Only the president can
Every
add?
club president, secretary, or the admins of the club can add it. If Ramchandran is not the president, but you are a e-admin of a club
Okay.
assigned by your club president, then you
Right.
can imagine I'm the president of the club, and I assign you as an admin of my club, provided you are part of my club,
Right.
then you can add the projects. We do not want every member to add the projects there. We want only the admins to add the projects there.
Okay. Just one more question. So how we have to give the rights for the admins?
See, default we have made all the club presidents and secretary as admins, Ramchandran.
No, sir. What I'm asking is, will it be taken from the My Rotary, or again we have to feed in myrotaryindia.org?
See, if your club is synchronized with Rotary India,
Okay.
automatically we get the details from the system itself.
Okay.
If
Fine.
not, you just need to send an email to support@rotary.india.org, and we will be able to give you the admin rights.
Right. Fine. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Anil, Ramchandran, yeah.
Anil.
Sorry?
Anil just fine, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I am Rotary District 3060, Rotary Club of Rajkot Midtown.
Yeah.
You've seen that you can see the district district officers numbers. Which icon is there?
Yeah. So one second. Now Aishwarya is back in action. Aishwarya, you can share the screen. We'll show you that. Now click on the district 3142. Click on the district committee. See, this district committee, Anil,
Haji. Yes,
should
sir.
be added by the district. Okay, so if it is added by the district, you will be able to see the entire committee of your district.
Okay, understand. Oh, understand. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. So in the district committee, you will see the entire thing. That too, you can change the year to earlier year also. See, the district committee of every year is going to be in the system. Maybe there is an issue in the server today, so it's going a bit slow. So don't worry. So, but we'll take care of that. Yeah.
Understand, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Balchandra.
Myself, Rotarian Bhalchandra Dixit from Rotary Club of Shiroda, RI District 3170.
Yeah.
There are many applications we download in our mobile, and we used to upgrade it. So regarding the Rotary India mobile application, how to upgrade it, or it gets automatically upgraded?
See, what we have done in our tool is whenever there is a new update coming in,
Yeah.
And in case you open my application, imagine that there is an update of the application today, example,
Ah.
and you open the application tomorrow morning.
Hmm.
You open it, it pops up a screen saying that there is an update available and it will force you to update yourself. You don't need to worry about it.
Okay. And same case about the desktop application.
Desktop is automatically updated. There is
Okay.
nothing.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
desktop
Thank
में
you.
हम लोग कुछ भी change कर दिया तो when you log in, you will anyway get it.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So now PSN Patrao.
Sir, myself, P.S.N. Patra, Secretary. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, sir.
Acha. 3262.
I can hear you. I'm just listening to you.
3262. Sir, actually, the award of 22-23 received this year for some events. So, how can you upload in this year?
See, awards of what?
Awards, our citation awards for different gold awards, and for our events that we achieved this year, last year. We got the awards from Rotary District 3262 received this year. How can you upload those awards in this year?
It does not matter. See, you can upload it in the current year, you can upload in the last year, you can do that. See, in case this award does not have any beneficiaries, you can't add that in the community service or anything. You can go to public image and add that. Why? Because you are popularizing your club there. So you can put that in the public image initiative. In that, you can go and add those awards which you got.
Last year award we received this year.
Does
So
not
can
matter. You
you?
can go and add it in this year, saying that we received the award for the year 20 to 23 as a best club or highest membership or whatever. You can add that in the public image.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Ramchandra.
Yeah, good
Yeah.
evening.
Good evening.
Now, since last 2 years, I was not able to get this app. See, app is open. Everything is open. And now I am on mobile. On mobile phone, I have already downloaded Rotary India 2 3 years back. I used to see all the details. Nowadays, I am not able to get connected to that app. Even that number registered, mobile number registered. So not coming on that.
My request to you, so these things, just send an email to support. We'll immediately check that. I'm messaging in the support again. Just type a email to support with your club name and details. We'll check it and rectify it for you. See, what happens is, it can be that when I synchronize with the Rotary.org, there are chances sometimes your mobile number, let's say now your mobile number is 12345 dash
Yeah.
and 56789. The dash will not allow you to do it. We'll rectify it for you. So just send an email to support@rotary.india.org and we'll rectify it.
Support at the rate India.
I messaged in the chat. The chat. You can,
Support, so to rotaryindia.org. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, Kannan. Parasimam. Yeah. Hi, Kannan.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
First of all, I want to appreciate you for the wonderful learning session. I learned new things. I'm Kannan from Rotary Club of Adayar, Chennai 3232.
Okay.
So I need one more query. You explained about the app. So is it possible only the district matters or the beyond other districts also possible to find out the Rotarian as well as other district clubs through this app?
You want to find the other district officers through this app?
No, Rotarian.
Clubs. Rotarians, yes. There's a button called as Find a Rotarian.
Okay.
So click on that Find a Rotarian. I can search for Kannan right away.
Okay.
I can search for your name and I can find your, what is the name of your club?
Rotary Club of Adayar, RCA.
How do you spell it? Adayar?
ADYAR.
Adayar, okay.
Yeah, Adayar.
So I can search for Kannan and type the club name as Adayar and district number as 3232 and I can find you there. Or Kannan, I'll tell you one more thing. For finding a name is much easier. Now I can also find you by your classification.
Okay.
Imagine you are an advocate. I can search for advocate in Chennai and I can find you there.
Okay,
Or
okay,
advocate in Adyar and I can find you there.
okay. Why I'm asking this is
Yeah.
the through the name, through the classification itself, a little bit easier the club name. So, for example, district, we can search the alphabetical order, all the club names are there. Similar like that, for example, in Tirunelveli or the Madurai, some other districts of the Tamil Nadu or the part of India, that will facilities there, it will go, because Kannan is,
That-
lot of Kannans are there. I
yes.
have to scrutiny all the things. That's the
Because
thing I
you are
asked about.
connected to Lord Kannan directly, so you have Kannans everywhere. So you
Yes.
can search Kannan by city, you can search Kannan by the club name, you can search Kannan. Why I say cities? Let's say now Adyar is in Chennai, but Adyar, the club name is not Chennai. Still, I can search for Chennai and I can find you there.
Okay.
Or I know Kannan is an advocate. So I'll type Kannan ADV. It will find all the Kannans with advocates in the country.
Oh. So
Okay.
name and classification mixed means it will be a little bit
And, yeah,
easier.
imagine you want to search for Narendra Rao and you know Narendra Rao is in the software. You can say Naren soft. You don't
Oh,
need to write Narendra Rao. You can just type Naren soft. You'll be able to find all the Narendra or anything starting with Naren, but with the word soft in his classification, you can find them.
oh, great. Okay. Thank you. I got it. Thank
Same
you.
way, Kandan, I'll tell you one more thing. I want everybody to understand this. Unfortunately, there's an issue with the server right now, so don't worry.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we all used to this technical glitch, so unfortunately, happened in the wrong time. So let's say find a club. Let's say you come to Thane today, and we can see a gentleman Deepak Agarwal from Thane Aces. So let's assume that Deepak's club meets on Wednesday evening. Example, you are in
Okay.
Thane on Wednesday. So
Okay.
when you are in Thane, you can find nearest club near to me. In the find a club, you can find the nearest club to me, and
Okay.
which is meeting on Wednesday. Example,
Okay.
Thane Aces is meeting on Wednesday. You can find
Okay.
the first club on the top is Thane Aces, and when you filter it for Wednesday.
Oh,
Why am I saying this? Imagine
okay.
I'm in Chennai today and I want to attend a club meeting. How do I know which club in Chennai meets on Wednesday? And that too,
Reason I'm raised the
I'm
question.
in Gindi and I want the nearest club. I don't need to travel too many, long distance. I want to find the nearest club to me. So I will give a distance of 5 kilometers. So in the 5 kilometers radius, if there is any club meeting happening on Wednesday, it will show that. And when I open that, in case your club has added an upcoming event, that is today's event, you have so and so speaker, I can also know that. I can know who the president is, I can know who the secretary is, I can know all the members of the club if the president and secretary does not pick up the call. I can also know all the activities of the club. Unfortunately, because of server error, I can't show you that right now. This is what we wanted to show today.
Okay.
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 So we can also find activity. I can find the activities of Adyar club right now sitting here.
Oh, great.
So
Thank
clear?
you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yes,
got it.
Deepak.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, Deepak ji.
Yeah. Good evening. My name is Deepak Agarwal from Rotary Club Thane Aces,
Yeah.
District 3142.
Yeah.
I have uploaded new members on Rotary ORG, but on my app, I can't see 2 or 3 members' name in that.
When did you upload it?
On the 1st or 2nd of July.
July itself. So Deepak, just send an email to support. They will actually see this synchronization part between Rotary.org and Rotary India has got some regular problem because this bridge is built by them. So which
Yeah.
is bit slow at times. It does not does not do the synchronization properly, and if it
Okay.
skips that particular day, and you won't have that data. So
But we are good to go. We can show the app and
No,
we
but
can
I,
show it now.
no, but I know what. But when I log in, that time I can see it over there on my laptop, but not on my phone.
Oh, then you just refresh the phone first.
Oh, that's it. Okay.
Yeah,
I'll do that.
yeah.
Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
that's
I'll
why
do
you
that.
can show the screen. You can show the
Yeah.
find club and find a Rotarian. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Deepak.
Thank you.
Go
Do you
to
see the screen?
Club Finder. Go to Club Finder. So friends, just see this Club Finder. Now click on any club. Let me type for Adyar. Type ADYAR. So click on it. See now, Ramchandran ji. Now it says your club meets on in Savera Hotel on Tuesday evening at 6:30 p.m. and president's name is Venkata Raghava and secretary is so and so. Everything is mentioned here, including the charter date of your club. And click on the members of this club. Now it shows all the members of this club. Click on the events. If there's an event, it will be shown. Click on the activity. It shows, can you see this? The last updated project is on 21st of August, hardly 2 days back by this club. So I want all of you to check this. See whether your club is seen. Wow, I can see the activities done by this club, which is SV Veeramani donated it to cataract. Let me get Ramchandran on the screen. He'll feel good. Ramchandran, can you just raise your hand so I can search for you and I can. Was it Ramchandran?
I think it was Kannan.
Kannan, sorry. Search for Kannan in the screen.
Yeah.
Kannan.
Yes, yes. Yes, I got it. I'm seeing my club now. You are calling the Ramchandran.
I'm so sorry. I missed it. I got
Right.
messed up. Yeah. So Kannan, you can see your club name. You can see your project which is done by your club. So
Yes.
friends, what I'm trying to say, imagine you're in Chennai on Tuesday evening. Don't miss to go to Adyar Club. Why? Because this club is a vibrant club, has got so many projects are done. So I'm sure every club is vibrant like this. So if you come to Thane, you can go to Thane Aces. Why? Because Deepak Agarwal's club also is the same way, vibrant and doing a lot of work. So what I'm trying to say here is finding any club is so easy in the country. That means when you travel, I'm sure most of us keep traveling to different cities for work or for pleasure. So when I go there, I can find easily our club there. I mean, any club there and connect to them. The advantage is one, you'll network with the new people there. Second, I'm sure this will also help you in terms of maybe doing a joint project with that particular club. That means it becomes a tool for you to network beyond your club. So come to an option of Rotarian, find a Rotarian. Now in the find a Rotarian, search for Deepak. Deepak, with your permission, I'm showing you your number and type Thane. No, don't search for all the Deepaks in the country.
I'll just like
Type, No. Type Deepak. Type ACES. Okay, I'm just for a shortcut, type ACES. ACE, that's it. You don't need to write the full thing also. Just click on the search now. Can you see this? I can see Deepak Kumar of Peace. Why? There's the ace in that piece. But I can find Deepak Agarwal. He's in the business of travel. So I do not know Deepak Agarwal. So I need someone in Thane who's in the business of travel. Go back, Aishwarya. Search for travel and Thane. Now I'll be able to find Deepak Agarwal who's in the business of travel and in Thane. So I just use the word travel here. So I could find Deepak Agarwal, Sandhya Shastri and Anand Bhatkal who are in the business of travel from the city of Thane. So having your own classification added is very important. Now I want to unmute Deepak. Deepak, in the travel, what is your specialty? Deepak, I'm trying to unmute you.
Yeah, we do customized packages, visas, international and domestic tickets.
Okay.
When everything related to air.
In your profile, when you update your profile, there is one more additional module called as one is a classification and there is something called as keywords.
Keywords.
In the keywords, you go and add this part. Example, say visa. Or let's say now you are a master in the US visa and the Schengen visa. Example, You can write US visa, Schengen visa, or whatever, Finland visa, does not matter. So someone searching for a visa application or they need a consultancy on the visa for US, they can connect to you. So having your additional keywords is very important. So clear on this part?
Yeah.
So anybody has a doubt on this? I think Patra was asking some. Yeah, Mr. Patra, you're
Sir,
asking. Patra, you're
sir,
asking.
sir,
Sorry,
sir,
sorry.
actually, sir,
Yeah.
actually, we are discussing about Rotary India. You are telling that by find Rotary that you can get any member in India. I want to know international. Actually, I have come to Europe, Ireland. I want to attend some meeting at Cork
For
City.
that, my
How?
suggestion is download the application called as Club Locator.
Acha.
The Club Locator helps you to find any club in the country,
Abroad, international.
any product in the world. Sorry, any
Acha.
club in the
Ah.
world.
Acha, acha, acha. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
Thanks.
thank
Thanks.
you. Yeah. So anybody else has any questions? Deepak, you have any question or yeah? Anybody else has any question on the find a Rotarian part or find a club? Yeah, Pradeep.
I don't have a question on the how to find the Rotarian or find the club, but I might have something on the birthday
Yeah, please go ahead.
anniversary.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So on that, just would like to know how exactly that get notified. Do you send any messages directly to
Can we see your
individual?
face, sir? Deepak, you're from which club? Pradeep, you're from which club?
Yeah, Pradeep Jain from Rotary Skyline. Can you
Thane
see me now?
Skyline.
Thane Skyline. Yeah.
Okay. So Pradeep, I'll just explain you the concept. Now let's assume that your club has got 75 members. Example.
Yeah.
If every member's birthday and anniversary are added by
Hmm.
the club on
Hmm.
everybody's name, imagine if you search for Pradeep Jain's date of birth is added, your anniversary is added, your family members' names are added, and their date of birth and anniversary are also added in the system.
Hmm.
Today morning, there is a birthday of three people in your club.
Yeah.
When you go to calendar, it will automatically show all the three names.
Right.
Okay, so now it pops up in the morning who's celebrating birthday. You can click on it, you can call, message, email them. Now, imagine Pradeep is the president of the club. You want to greet three people. Out of that, one is Narendra, one is Deepak Agarwal, one is Sanjay Singhal, who are celebrating birthday. So automatically, you can also send an automated greeting to everybody on their special days.
So that can be
That-
set. We can
there is a
set that. You are saying.
Yeah, you need to go and set that in the module called as greeting module. You need to go and set that.
Mm-hmm.
That too, you can send an in-app notification, you can send WhatsApp notification, you can send an email notification to them on their special days.
Okay, great.
Clear?
Clear. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Bhaskar.
Yes, I am Bhaskar Chaudhary from Rotary Club Depot 3240.
Yeah.
This our club, this membership details, it is not complete. So how can we update it now?
Tell me again.
And the club members details, everything as is shown in the here, like your Thane club details. Our is only name and all this thing only there. So how can I update the members details?
Are you the president of
safe or soft?
No, I am not. I am past president.
See, club admin has a right to update this automatically.
Okay.
Let's say Pradeep Jain's data, whatever, anybody's, you can update it automatically. But when it comes to a member, they themselves can update. Aishwarya, can you show that every member how to update a profile?
Yeah, just a second. Trying to just share my screen once more. It's just taking a lot of time to load.
So anyway, so you understood the concept. There's a profile, the edit button. Every member can edit the profile directly, and you'll be able to know exactly and update everything, including those classifications. You can't change your name and your mobile number. The rest of things can be updated by you. Name and mobile number cannot be changed by you. The rest of the things, like example, say my classification, my photograph, my family members data, everything can be updated by me directly. Yeah, just see show that. Yeah, I sure you can just show that. Edit and show that. See, so simple it is. You can go edit, rectify, change anything, add your own social media handles there. You can also add your own profile. So the best part is your entire profile can be added. You can write about you there. So this is a new model which we enabled now, where you can write about yourself. Let's say what is Narendra Rao. The whole story about Narendra Rao also can be added in the system itself. So this will also help you or help others to know about you. Plus, in case you have a integrated club website, then this will also get you the complete data directly in the introduction of yours in the as a president or a secretary of your club. So updating this data will also help you. So now let me take the questions
Thank
of
you.
Raj Kumar. Rajakumar. Yeah, hi. I'm not able to pronounce your name. Trying to unmute you, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
I am Rajkumar from Rotary Pondicherry.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Okay, regarding the members' birthday medical wishes, I am the executive secretary of this club. I used to update the members' data, birth, and everything, and also I sent the message also. But the message is not going to the person on the same day.
If there is a, like, have you subscribed for a WhatsApp or this thing in that?
Yes, yes, yes. I have paid the
You have done
fees also,
Just
but
send an
the
email.
message is not going.
My request is send an email. Just send an email to
Okay.
support. We'll immediately rectify it. Or you can call the support. If there's a problem, we'll rectify it. That is our responsibility to get it rectified.
Okay. Except previously, I used to send this message.
Yeah,
So
no,
you
no.
give it to the all.
If there's any glitch in the system, it's our responsibility to rectify it. We'll do that immediately. Don't worry.
Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, Rajaram Yelamaddi.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Good evening, sir. This is Rajaram, Secretary from Legends Club, District 3150.
Yeah.
So I have a couple of questions, sir. So what would be the workflow? So when we do a project, do we update on My Rotary, the Rotary Club Central, and then
Very beautiful
Rotary?
question. Let me answer this, Rajaram, to everybody to
Thank
hear.
you.
So now imagine today I've done a project.
Yeah.
First, what is this? Is it a project or is it a public image thing or is it a meeting? First, there are three different parts which you think of it. Imagine you've done a community service project. Imagine you've done a project where you donated bicycles to a needy in a village next to your house. That means the project is on a bicycle. Am I right? Now you go into rotaryindia.org, log in there and go to the club projects, community service projects, add a project, title as whatever, donation of cycle to so and so, write a beautiful description to that. Okay, you had Rajaram LMRD along with 25 others donated 300 cycles, whatever you want to write there. And we had our district governor Shankar Reddy as a chief guest, whatever the content you written there. Now there's a drop down there. In the drop down, you can select where that project topic comes in, area of focus. Select the area of focus. There's a sub area of focus connected to that. Select that. So you don't need to write that. It's all dropped down there. Then how many are the beneficiaries? What is the cost of the project? How many Rotarians were involved in doing this project? How many man hours that you spent in doing this project? Date of this project. Click, click, click. Now it allows you to add up to 5 photographs in the system. So it allows you to add 5 photographs in the system. We need to add up to 5, maximum up to 5 photographs can be added by you in the system. So each photograph also can have a small caption and a content to be done in that. So this is a process for adding a project. Let's say you're done a club meeting. Then you need to go to the same part. Instead of a project, click on the club meeting, add that meeting. Today we had a speaker meeting. We had Prakash Mirji from Rotary Club of so and so had attended or spoke about global grant, how to do a global grant in an organized way, whatever the content so and so is done and saved. You got it? How come your mic is muted? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So, sir, after doing this, do we have to go and do it again in My Rotary also?
See, My Rotary, I'll just tell you the truth.
Yeah.
In case your club is doing 25 projects,
okay.
In My Rotary, you can just add 4 or 5 projects just to fill that goal. Because unfortunately, in My Rotary, they do not keep this project for long. They delete it. But
okay.
in Rotary India will not delete it. So after 10 years also, Rajaram can go back and see what did my club do in the year 22, 23 or 23, 24. You have the story to be shown. So in Rotary India, we create a data bank for you. So the data is not deleted for you. So data is keep on piling in the system for you.
Okay. Okay. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Pradeep.
Yeah, I have one more question that how do I find, so I'm the president for the club. How do I find how many people, how many members of my club has not downloaded the
app?
Good,
Very good point for everybody to again listen. Like, this is what happens when the good questions come. Rather, I should have asked, told about this. In the report section, Pradeep, when you go into the login into the system and there's a report section, there is a first button, downloaded users.
Okay.
So you can download that file. You will know, imagine in your club, there are 75 people, you'll know how many of them are downloaded, how many of them are not downloaded. It shows blank in front of them. Imagine you are downloaded and it's on an Android, it shows Android phone. If I download an iOS phone, it shows iOS phone.
Okay.
You want me to show you that?
Yeah, if you can, nothing like.
What is the name of your club?
Rotary Club Thane Skyline.
Skyline, hold on. Sanjay Sharma is from your club.
Yeah.
Is he regular in the club now or no?
Sanjay Sharma is not there now with us.
He left the club?
Yeah.
Okay. Unfortunately, yeah.
Unfortunately.
No. This particular, I'm not able to log in now because of the server error.
So no problem. That's fine. One more question was, I'll just, I'll go
through. Called as reports. In
Yeah.
that, there's an option for downloaded users. You can do that.
Yeah, no problem. One more question was there that my secretary is not able to, upload all photograph or maybe the meetings records and everything. I don't know what was the reason. So I don't know whether he's attending this or not. But I just would like to know what could be the.
What you can do,
issue.
Pradeep, when you log in, you see the secretary's name, and there is a button called as Make Admin. Click on him and make him as an admin.
Okay.
Once you make them as an admin, then they will be able to upload or download.
He could able to write that some of the data, but unfortunately photographs and all other things he's not able to do that.
Okay.
So that means he has partial, maybe I can say the admin access already.
That's called as partial access, sir. If it is there, if it will be there completely or it is not there.
So he could able to do some. Then I don't know why not.
You can just ask him to send an email to us. We'll help him on how to do that.
Fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Kartivel.
Yeah, Kartivel Ratana. Good evening, sir.
I'm unable to add the new members in the portal.
Rotary India, there is no option for you to add a member or delete a member. You need to do that in rotary.org, Kartivel. So then from there it will come here.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, Nilanjan.
Good evening, sir. How I add attendance of the minutes?
There is a separate button for attendance, sir.
Yeah. Just I will put the figure or out of 25, 23 attended.
Pardon me?
Future spacecraft equipped with laser.
No, I can't hear you.
My club member is 25. If 17 members is attended that meeting, just I type it 17 or
No,
in
there is a button called as
PDF.
attendance. You need to go to attendance and you can go and select Niranjan Mitra has attended. Let's say
Okay.
meeting. You can actually, like a school attendance books, you can actually do it.
Okay. Understand. Okay, understand. Thank you.
Thank you. Anybody else has any doubts, any questions? Friends, if there is no question, we'll close the meeting today and we'll have another next week. I think we'll have much more interesting session. We are mostly we'll have a session by trustee Bharat Pandya. We are just discussing with them. So we will have him as well as RI directors live next week in the session. So till then, we can actually close the meeting and get any. If there is no questions, we can close the meeting. Anybody else has any questions? Yeah, Prakash ji. I'm trying.
Since I have an iOS iPhone,
Yeah.
I'm not able. You had said that the matter will get settled.
iOS, you'll be able to download the application. You'll be able to use the application, but all the features are not enabled as of now. So that will be done very soon. So even I am using an iOS phone and I have the same problem of yours. So which will be upgraded very soon and we'll have it, sir.
I downloaded the app quite about 2 years ago. Right now, I'm getting nothing. I just get the
No,
names.
you can just delete and reinstall it. You will be able to connect to the application. There is no problem.
Fine.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Chalo,
sir.
thank you.
Thank you. Sir, Pradeep ji.
Question, last question, maybe I'm just asking.
No,
Okay.
please.
One more question, which Sabha is trying to understand that your meeting notification, the masterclass notification, it always go through email or it goes through on WhatsApp message also?
Yeah, we send it
And
by
does this goes to all members or only to secretary?
It only goes to the people who have attended the master class. So we send it to them or the club president and secretaries.
Acha. And it goes through email only always?
Yeah, it goes by email only.
Not through WhatsApp message?
No.
Okay. Take it. Point noted. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Deepa Agarwal. Yeah,
Hi. Yeah, I'm from Hospital Karnataka, 3160 Hampi Pulse.
Yeah.
Yeah, can we add or can we see a fee paid by the Rotarians?
Can you add what?
Fee paid, Rotary fee, yearly fee. If they paid, can we note in that they paid, or any
Are you
option
talking
is
about
there?
the membership dues of your club?
Yeah.
There
Membership.
is a separate module that we have built in for collecting membership dues. So that means in case you want your club members due to be collected through Rotary India platform, we can help you do that. So it also takes care of it. Deepa Agarwal is paid or not, Narendra Rao is paid or not. If Narendra Rao is paid by cash or a check or by online by credit card, system automatically tracks that, and so that I'll not get a reminder. But in my club, Balchandra Dikshit is not made a payment yet. He will get a notification. Aishwarya has made a payment of annual. She will not get a notification till January 1. So there's a tool that we have developed for that.
Yeah, last meeting I have attended that.
Yeah.
About that tool, but in this app, there's nothing like that about the fee, membership fee.
No, you need to enable that.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Friends, I think we are closing the meeting, and I'm just sharing the screen of Chandrayaan in case you want all to see what is happening in Chandrayaan. Just let us see the update from the ISRO directly. Maybe we'll have some interesting news here coming in. So because we're all sitting here, let's just
जी हाँ,
enjoy this.
अगर हम अब बात करें पावर डिसेंट के चौथे और अंतिम चरण का, जो कि लोकल
Landing at 6:04. Sorry, so we need to wait for another
इस दौरान लैंडर के 2 इंजन बंद कर
20
दिए
minutes for
जाएंगे
it.
और लैंडर के
So
सेंसरों द्वारा
6:04 is our
इसके
landing
height
of
और
Chandrayaan,
velocity की
friends.
गणना
So let's all
inertial navigation
watch
को भेज
this
दिया जाएगा।
site. You can just
इस
search for
दौरान
Chandrayaan. You can do
लैंडर
that.
150 मीटर की ऊंचाई को
It says
प्राप्त
6:04
करने
is
के
the
बाद
landing time.
कुल 131 सेकंड लगाएगा। इस पड़ाव पे आने के बाद पुनः लैंडर 22 सेकंड के लिए हवरिंग करेगा।
Thank you, friends. So let's close the meeting for the day.